Were you recently scheduled for your consular or embassy interview? And are you wondering, what documents should I take with me to my interview? That's what I'm going to discuss with you here today. So everyone asks, I'm so excited. I have my interview scheduled at the US Embassy or Consulate, but now I'm worried. I need to know what is the list of documents that I should take. And I know no one likes to hear this, but it really does. It depends on your country of origin and it depends on the background of your specific case. But I'd like to give you the three main categories of evidence that you should be prepared to take with you to your interview. The very first category is your civil documents, your civil evidence. And that's things like your birth certificate, if there was prior marriages, a divorce decree, a marriage certificate from your current marriage, and other biographical documents if there were name changes in your past or adoption documents. And the list goes on, but it's just important to be aware of that very first category, the civil evidence. The second category is financial evidence. When you go to your interview, the interviewer, the officer, the immigration officer is going to be looking for your financial evidence to make sure that the petitioner, the US petitioner, for the case makes enough money. So the financial documents to prove that. Typically, that's 3 years of tax returns and tax transcripts. Sometimes we have clients that are business owners, and there's other types of documents that also have to be taken. Paycheck stubs and other financial documents. So again, that second category is financial evidence. And then the very third category, the third and probably one of the most important, is your relationship evidence. I mean, that's what you're doing. You're proving that you have a real relationship based on love. So updated relationship evidence. You've already submitted evidence to immigration before to prove your relationship. So just think a continuation of that evidence, a continuation of showing you've been in communication, messages between one another, trips that you've taken to visit one another, and photos. And I want to leave you with a tool as well. The National Visa Center website has a prepare for your interview document list, and you should also get a document list from the US Embassy or Consulate. Please know, like I said, there's no cookie cutter list and every country is different. For example, the Philippines, you need a CENOMAR, a certificate of no marriage. So you'll have to pay very close attention to both of these lists and know that at the end of the day, the immigration officers can ask you for other things that might not be on that list. If you'd like to learn more about the immigration process, I invite you on over to our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. Thanks for watching.